If you're a content creator, you're gonna wanna watch this video. You see, 5 years ago, I picked up a camera for the first time ever, and I started making shitloads of money. Money that I didn't even think was possible, I'm not gonna lie. And then I moved from a content creator chasing one-off jobs to starting a marketing agency that was on a monthly reoccurring retainer. When I started signing 5 and then 6 of these clients, I was realizing, hang on a minute, I'm creeping up to £10,000 a month. And then I went from low ticket clients to quite high ticket clients, and I hit £20,000 a month. And to me, just saying that, like, I'm thinking I used to be a lifeguard 6 years ago working for minimum wage. And it's not all because I picked up this camera, it's because I transitioned from a content creator chasing one-off jobs to turning it into a reoccurring business model. The same way that Uber and Netflix and Amazon works. Netflix doesn't charge you every time you watch a film. They just let you have as much as you want, but charge you the same amount of money every month. So if you are a content creator and you're still watching this video, please just start a marketing agency or start a content creation agency that offers clients the same amount of videos every month for a fixed rate. It might even be cheaper, it might work out cheaper for them, but for you, you're being paid every single day if you're working or not.